Speaking of the border, Congressman, very quickly, you're introducing a bill, I understand, that would allow longer custody of migrant minors. How does that work?
All right, so you have to go back in time. So there's something called the Flores settlement that created a lot of these problems and these waves of immigration caravans since 2014, because this particular court settlement says you can't hold a family unit or an unaccompanied minor past 72 hours. Which is what causes catch and release. There's no way to hold somebody to adjudicate their claim, to figure out what's going on, whether they have an asylum case or not. And so you have to let them go and hope that they show up for a court date. And so you have to tackle the asylum system itself, which I've done in another bill. But on the Flores case, you simply have to extend that 72-hour period to 120 days. It doesn't force you to keep people for 120 days. It just says that Border Patrol can. And that's really important for the adjudication process. Right. We also require DNA testing so that adults can't just traffic kids across and say, well, that's my child, you have to take my word for it. No, there has to be DNA testing.
Right.
And we also acknowledge the fact that the vast majority of these minors crossing are 16, 17-year-old males.
Yep.
And so it gives the commissioner authority to say, look, if you're affiliated with a gang or a transnational criminal organization, you get treated as an adult, not a minor.